Here's how you will download and install your ActivInspire resources used for this module. As it says down here, you're going to navigate to Getting Ready to Use and download the resource pack. So let's do that. Navigate to the other page. You'll see Module Resources. This is your download button. I can see that it's going right here. Now I'm going to go to ActivInspire, and while in ActivInspire, I will go to Resources, File, Import, Resource Pack to Shared Resources. Navigate to my Downloads folder. Here are my documents. Look for Module Resources. There it is. The extension is AS4A. Click on that. Hit Open. You'll be prompted to put it in the shared resources, either yes to all or no to all. I'm going to say yes to all. It'll take a few minutes to index resources. Once the indexing runs, and you'll know the pop-up goes away, over here you'll be able to navigate to your folders and find any of the pictures under resource packs that you may have installed.